perspective, which interdisciplinary falls within the category of where mutually exclusive disciplines sort of permeate each other to formulate new ideas.
Basically, all that means is taking multiple disciplines into consideration. It may be a situation where mutually exclusive disciplines converge, or where disciplines overlap on a deep level. Like you might find certain areas interdisciplinary where physics meets linguistics when it comes to areas of language and speech and tonality. So
interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I don't know where to start. What do you think about subliminal messages in entertainment media?
Oh wow, that's a that's a big subject. I mean, subliminal influences or subliminal messages, information that bypasses below the psychological threshold of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the preconscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, you have subliminal, you have supraliminal, you have hyperliminal, you have hypnosis, and you have neuro-linguistic programming,
sure,
NLP, and you have cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, which is like a subset or a branch of NLP, equivalent to psychoanalytic